Did you kiss her?
Yeah, I kissed her.
Okay, well, we can go outside.
He's a little drunk.
Drunk?
Really? Because your sleeve's on fire.
Really?
To make his fortune,
We're broke now. Our season just started.
You got no money to pay salaries? It's over.
Dodge Connolly needed a star
There's only one Carter Rutherford, and you ought to be rewarded for your talent.
to make her name.
Nice hat.
Lexi Littleton
You ever hear of Carter Rutherford?
War hero football boy? Ooh, good-looking war hero football boy.
needed a story.
I have to watch my words around you.
Just give them to me and I'll watch them for you.
So you're a sports writer.
Why not?
Hey, what's a girl doing in the press box?
Certain jobs are always going to be done by men.
Big strapping man?
Now, two of the game's greatest legends will find themselves competing
The real story is the matchup between the Bullet and teammate George Clooney.
over the one woman who can put them in their place.
The only thing you hate worse than a guy making a play is when a guy doesn't make a play.
Oh, were you making a play? I hadn't realized.
What are you doing for dinner?
And the game is on.
Well, I'm glad.
I'm happy you're glad.
I'm glad you're glad.
So you want to play dirty?
Maybe later. I'm a little tired right now.
This year, what's romance
I've got some decisions to make.
In a minute.
without a little rivalry?
Where were you two?
Out.
Nowhere.
George Clooney, Renee Zellweger,
You're substituting my bosoms for your mother's.
What?
Why not? What's wrong with my bosoms?
Leatherheads.
Stay away from my right knee.
Watch my left shoulder.
Also my right hindquarter.
Well, you wouldn't punch me in the back, would you?
No, never. Let's just go for the face.